Hello everyone, my name is Dua Ali and these are my group members. So this is our business logo and name, which is Spotify's. Now forwarding to the problem, is it your friend's birthday within a week or there's any event within a week that you want to organize and you have multiple things to do like ordering a cake, ordering some decoration items or items related to organizing a party and you have nowhere to do, you can't order these all things from the same site. This is all messed up. Now what to do? So there's nothing to worry. Here's the solution, PartyPies. So basically, PartyPie is a platform where you can order anything which is related to an organized party. Either it is a baby shower, a birthday party, a formal party. You can order decoration items, customize cake, customize even jewelry, customize products, customize gifts for your loved one. So yeah.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Sumi Fatma and now I'm going to discuss about the unique value proposition of our business, which is basically that we are selling various decoration and event celebration item in just one platform. We are using a highly convenient distribution channel by which our customer can get their product either by our home delivery service or they can get their product by themselves at our various pickup points. We are selling high quality goods at very reasonable price. So the next topic is unfair advantage. Our business is basically one-stop factory. The unfair advantage that we have is that we are selling 3 different categories of products which are basically used to make it special even more memorable, like food products, customized products, and decoration items are available under just one platform named as PartyPiece. So in order to celebrate your friend's birthday, instead of wandering here and there to find all these 3 different categories of products, our customer can get these products from just one platform named as PartyPiece. Next topic is customer segment, in which talk about the target audience of our business. As we all know, target audience are the key factor for any business to survive in such competitive world. As being this much important, providing satisfaction to their need are the core purpose of any business. Basically, the target audience of our business are the people who like to celebrate events and want to make it a little more memorable, the people who like creative things like customized cakes and gifts and lives in Karachi. Moving on. The next thing is chain ratio. With the help of the chain ratio, we try to figure out the population of our target audience, which is basically approximately 54 million. As you can see in this slide, the chain ratio method is explained, in which we try to calculate the population of extreme diabetic patients, health conscious people, rural area population, infant population, and without internet population people, and sum them up, then in the end separate from the population of Karachi in order to find our target population, which we found that is approximately 54 million people whom we have to target. Moving on, the last thing that we tried to do is to gather some demographic data of our target audience. In order to do so, we did an online survey in which 146 people have responded in SurveyMonkey app, and we gathered some of the valuable data of our target audience, which are that, as you can see in this graph, in our target audience are basically 32% male and 68% females. Moreover, most of the target audience are of age 20 to 25 years old. And the last thing is, most of them are undergraduates or a student, which is a pretty good information, and we try to find out our target audience.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। जैसे कि हमने आपको अपनी रिपोर्ट में बताया है कि हमारी 4 डिफरेंट लोकेशंस हैं, जौहर, सफूरा, नाज़िमाबाद और गुलशन। तो हमने जो है अपने कस्टमर्स को 2 तरीके की फैसिलिटीज़ प्रोवाइड करी है, आइदर पिकअप और सीओडी, कैश ऑन डिलीवरी। तो हमारी जो कोशिश होगी वो यही होगी कि अगर नाज़िमाबाद का ऑर्डर है और वही सामान जो है नाज़िमाबाद की लोकेशन पे अवेलेबल हुआ, तो हम कोशिश करेंगे कि वहीं से हम डिस्पैच कर दें ऑर्डर को, या कस्टमर्स के पास एक और चॉइस भी होगी कि वो आके पिकअप कर लें। क्योंकि अगर नाज़िमाबाद का ऑर्डर सफूरा जाएगा तो राइडर सफूरा से जब वो डिस्पैच होगा तो राइडर की कॉस्ट बहुत हो जाएगी, लाइक 250, 300 और 350। तो लोग ये प्रेफर नहीं करते हैं कि वो इतना राइडर को ट्रैवलिंग कॉस्ट दें। तो हमने 2 तरीके की स्ट्रैटेजी इसीलिए बनाई है कि ये अगर करीब का ऑर्डर है तो वो खुद आके भी पिकअप कर सकते हैं और जो है हम वहाँ से डिस्पैच भी कर सकते हैं जो करीबी लोकेशन होगी हमारी।
Okay, so basically this is our cost structure, and the reason our expenses are so low, as we have told in the report, कि हम basically जो अपना सामान है वो मेरे मार्केट से जाके ले रहे हैं। जैसे कि हमारी ट्रांसपोर्टेशन एक्सपेंस काफ़ी कम है, 4000 है मंथली। वो इसलिए कम है क्योंकि हम अपना सप्लाईज को जितना भी सामान हमारा सामान है मोस्टली। Okay, so this is our financial plan and this is our cost structure. Now, why the expenses are a bit low? The reason is given in the report also कि जो हमारे expenses हैं वो काफ़ी लो हैं क्योंकि हम एमएन वर्कर से जाके खुद सामान परचेज कर रहे हैं। हम करते आ रहे हैं, 2-3 इवेंट्स प्लान कर चुके हैं, इसकी पिक्चर्स भी हम डालेंगे अपनी इस वीडियो में। तो हमें एक्सपेंस बहुत कम पड़ता है, ट्रैवल एक्सपेंस, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन एक्सपेंस कम पड़ता है, पैकेजिंग एक्सपेंस, मार्केटिंग एक्सपेंस तो थोड़े बहुत पैम्पलेट्स के अलावा इट्स वेरी लो मंथली। और स्टोरेज एक्सपेंसेस समथिंग कि हमारी 4 लोकेशन है, तो वहाँ पे जिससे अपने घर पे जो सामान रखा हुआ है उसमें जो बिलिंग आ रही है राइट ऑन है स्टोरेज की दिन में, या वो जो स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई कर रही है उसका मंथली चार्ज है। उसके अलावा कोई अलग से हमने नहीं कोई हमने वेयर हाउस बनाया, सो सॉरी या सो हमारा पैकेजिंग एक्सपेंस और ट्रांसपोर्टेशन एक्सपेंस इसलिए लो है क्योंकि हम एमएन से एक साथ ही सामान बल्क में जाके ले रहे हैं और वो हमारे बहुत दुकानदार नोन हैं, तो हमें बहुत रीजनेबल प्राइस में सामान मिल जाता है। तो या थैंक यू।
Hello, my name is Ashra Khurshid and my part in the presentation is revenue streams. Revenue stream is a platform from where most of your revenue is generated. In our business, our mostly revenue is generated through our social media pages as we are receiving more and more of, orders from there. Then we have revenue model. The revenue model in our case is variable as our revenue is going up and down. In the initial 3 months, it will not increase, it will remain the same, but according to time and with growth of the business, it will increase. Then we have lifetime value. We are providing all the celebration and decoration stuff under one umbrella. We are providing value to our customers by providing everything that is essential to celebrate a birthday, whether it's a gift, it's the celebration stuff or the decoration items, everything. At the end, our gross margin is 85%. And also we are adding value by providing high quality things in a very affordable price.
सो बेसिकली दिस इज़ आवर इनकम स्टेटमेंट जिसमें से हमने सेल्स को कॉस्ट ऑफ गुड्स सोल्ड से माइनस करके जो है अपना ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट निकाला है, और हमने जो है रिपोर्ट में जो है अपने 3 इयर्स के एक्सपेंसेस भी कैलकुलेट करके फर्दर डालें।